I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a homemade lamp using an easy method. First, let's gather our essential materials. You will need a pre-wired lamp kit, which typically includes a cord, a socket, and a plug. Next, select a sturdy base. This could be a piece of wood, a ceramic vase, or even a decorative glass bottle. Finally, choose a lampshade that fits your style and the size of your base. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's prepare your lamp base. If your base doesn't already have one, you'll need to drill a hole. This hole should be about 3/8 of an inch in diameter, large enough for the lamp cord to pass through easily. Make sure the edges of the hole are smooth to protect the cord from fraying over time. A clean, well-prepared base is crucial for a professional-looking finish and safe operation. Next, we'll tackle the wiring, which is simpler than it sounds. First, thread the lamp cord up through the hole in your base. Then, carefully follow the instructions provided with your lamp kit to connect the wires to the socket. Typically, this involves stripping a small amount of insulation and attaching the wires to the terminals. Once connected, secure the socket firmly to the top of your base. Always double-check your connections for safety. For our final steps, let's bring your lamp to life. Carefully attach your chosen lampshade to the lamp harp or directly to the socket, depending on its design. Next, screw in a light bulb, making sure it's the correct wattage for your lamp kit and socket, usually 60 watts or less. Finally, plug in your beautiful, custom-made lamp and switch it on. Congratulations, you've successfully created your very own homemade lamp.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.